Eruption of the Nevado del Ruiz volcano continues in the Colombia. This is a volcano 5,321-meter high and is covered most of the times in snow. Here you can see that yet there isn't some snow on the summit. It's very close to the equator, and yet because of the moisture, excess moisture, it can collect a lot of snow, and because it's more than 5,000 meters, it's practically cold up there. And this volcano is a stratovolcano, and this recent phase of the eruption is moderate compared to what you see now here, which was in a few weeks ago. It was very eruptive by then, explosive. It's not just because of that this volcano is famous and notorious. Of course, it's beautiful landscape around it. It is because of the 1985 incident that he had. As you can see here, we have now sulfur dioxide monitor showing a lot of excess. The famous lahar of 1985 caused the death of a lot of people and wiped out several villages and towns in the Colombia. The scientists practically didn't pay attention. This is a subduction area where Pacific plates are undergoing subduction under South American plate, creating these volcanoes there in the Andes and rising the Andes also to that height.